Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning everyone. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay everyone, now I would like to create a makeup character video. And this is my original face, ladies and gentlemen. And also, before I make up, before I'm transform, I would like to reintroduce myself. My name is Eneng Nurfadilah. You can call me Eneng. And I'm from 5A semester of English Education Department at STKIP Muhammadiyah Bogor. And this subject about drama in language education with my lecturer is Miss Meita Lesmiati Kaisar. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please check it out. Okay everyone, I would like to be Harley Quinn. Do you know Harley Quinn? Harley Quinn is the main character in Bird of Prey movie. Okay? Please check it out.
It goes on and on and on. Remind me of everything tonight. Yes, I'm in the zone. Dreaming about the things that we could be.
This is me, Harley Quinzel. When I kids, my dad traded me for 6 cans of beer. Therefore, for many time, I always back to my dad. And finally, my dad find new home for me. And in there, I was taken care of by the nurse. The name is Bernadette. And after that, I got a PhD college. But I always broken heart until I work as psychiatrist. After that, I find him and I falling in love with him. The name is Jagger. And then I broken heart again with him and I changed to be Harley Quinn. And I'm bad.
Finally.
And then
Tragedy struck.
get from this.
It took losing something I truly love for me to see that the target on my back was bigger than I thought.
It's to losing something I truly love. Made me see on my back bigger than I thought.